Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're going to learn how to implement timeboxing in Zoho Project, a technique that can greatly improve your project management efficiency. First things first, let's open up our Zoho project. Now that we've done that, we need to navigate to the Tasks section. The reason we do this is because timeboxing is all about assigning specific time slots to each task. Once in the Tasks section, select a task that needs a time box. Click on the Edit button, and then look for the Duration field. In this field, set the specific time duration for this task. This helps us because it gives a clear time frame for the task completion, promoting productivity and preventing procrastination. Next up, we need to add a reminder. This is done by clicking on the Reminder button and setting it to alert you when the task's allocated time is nearly up. Let me explain why this matters. When we're engrossed in a task, we often lose track of time. By setting a reminder, we can ensure that we stick to the allocated time, hence maintaining the integrity of our time box. Finally, repeat this process for all the tasks in your project. Remember, the goal is to allocate a specific time slot for each task and stick to it. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. By doing this, we're not just scheduling our tasks, but we're also ensuring that each task gets the focused attention it needs within the set time, making our project management more effective. So in conclusion, implementing timeboxing in Zoho Project is as simple as setting a duration for each task, adding a reminder, and then repeating this process for all tasks. This technique can help you stay focused, prevent overruns, and ultimately ensure project success. Thank you for joining us today, and until next time, happy project managing.